Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. Wanted to make this video on creating a penny stocks list. If you are a penny stock trader or a day trader, it's very important to be able to have a list each day of stocks to trade, right? So if you're new and you're like, well, how do I find a list of penny stocks? What would I look at? Should I just have some random ones up? I mean, you could go and create a watch list within your brokerage account. Let's say Thinkorswim. I have Thinkorswim pulled up. And you can go to a website and find a list of penny stocks and kind of just go in and put the symbols, so you can go and you can have, change your watch list each day. So right here, you could go in and just change the date, today's the 9th, and you can have a bunch of symbols. So you could, save it, and you can put random, stocks like dries and garbage stock, but tops, so you can go and kind of have a list. So you can have a generic list, maybe not have a date, right? So you can go in here, have a basic watch list and edit the columns that you want. I have our last price, percentage change, volume, and then shares, which is shares outstanding is similar to float. It's a little bit higher. But you can create your watch list. You can see here HTB, ETB, which would be easy to borrow, means it's shortable. Hard to borrow means, it's not, or you have to have some special requirements with TDs. They're not the greatest for shorting, but you can create your watch list like this. Go in and have a bunch and manually input them here. You can also set up your scanners, right? So you can have several scan setups within Thinkorswim. We provide our scanner settings, those that upgrade and become next level content members with us. We do have a next level training library where we give you our scanner settings that shows you how to do all this stuff. But also too, for regular, monthly members of our community, we do send out trade alerts each night as well. So if you wanted trade alerts with our watch lists, you can upgrade, become a member if you're not one already, and receive our trade alerts. However, on our website, there are a couple resources that you can go to where I will show you to every day be able to get a list of stocks to trade. Now, Trade Ideas, it's our favorite scanner. We absolutely love Trade Ideas. They're a little bit pricey, so if you're new, take advantage of our free resources until you can purchase your own copy. Once you can, afford Trade Ideas, then you can come over to this page on our website, bullishbears.com, read about Trade Ideas, and purchase it below. But in the meantime, each morning before the market opens during the pre-market, you'll see this date changes where we actually post Trade Ideas gappers every morning. And you'll see, once you see the date change here, you click on it and you'll see, all right, cool. A list of all the top gappers for the morning, right? Some days are going to be better than others depending on how the market's looking. And then you can basically go over here and see the symbols over here. You can see the volume today, how high they've gapped up, and you can start building your watch list this way. Again, we do live streaming each day, so we hit the pre-market probably around 9:15 or so. So you'll actually see whatever stocks that we're looking at on our stream. So if you're a member, you'll see us live stream. We'll tell you what stocks we're looking at, all that good stuff. But if you want to get ahead of the game, you can, or look at stocks that you'd personally rather trade. Here's a gappers list every morning that we post. So you can come over here and see, okay, IDEX, that was the top gapper in the morning, but not a lot of volume. Let me look at CEI, $1.42. You can see, it's a penny stock, low floater, and some pretty high volume, right? So now you'd start to look at that one. So that's when you would take that. Okay, let me go over to my brokerage account, maybe put that. So this is where I'll just remove dries and tops. I can't stand those stocks. Bunch of garbage. But hey, you can make really good money day trading them. But you'll see, all right, have my watch list for today. Let me come over here, type in CEI, and you'll click on it, and you'll see, okay, why was CEI moving? All right, well, it gapped up, had a really nice move in the pre-market, and then obviously it dumped, at the open. It didn't go and break pre-market high. But this would have been on our watch list to watch for today because it was really up pre-market. Obviously, we didn't know what was going to happen here. I'm making this video at 11:30, but it would have been one that we would have watched. So basically, that's what I would do. I'd come over here each day, CEI, then I'd look, okay, there's not a lot today, but I'd see, okay, maybe GoGo. Let me go over to GoGo, put that one in, and we'll see GoGo That one actually had a decent open for very short, right? Pattern wasn't the greatest pre-market, but kind of a bull flag or a pennant here. And you'll see right at open, you had this 5-minute nasty high wave candle. You may have gotten one entry on this thing and then, you know, sold at the quick move up. But that's basically kind of how you're building your list. So each day, again, if you want a free resource, just come over to our website, bullishbears.com. Right under the scanner section, right over here, you'll see us post, you know, the gappers each day. Once the date changes, just click on it and you'll see right over in here, you know, the top gappers, and then you just take them and then you, you know, just put them into your own watch list and your brokerage account. Another resource you can use is right on our website. Just click on watch list. Each night by 9 p.m. we do post our day trade and swing trade watch list. Just click on this right here and you'll see, you know, under daily is where we post our penny stocks watch list. Sometimes we put some higher ones on there as well. You'll see our swing trade watch list here. So this is a couple free resources. Again, every night before 9, come over to our website, look at the watch lists, and you know, go up to our scanner page right up here, and you can get the trade ideas pre-market gappers for your penny stocks list. And then if you want to know our scanner settings, because you'll see right over in here, you know, we have our scanners. We have lots of scanners that we have set up. So this will, if you don't want trade ideas or you want a live scanner, right? So again, Trade Ideas is a live market scanner. We do share our Trade Ideas live scanner each day for those who are members. So we actually share our Trade Ideas like a try it before you buy it. We are huge proponents of having you get your own copy, but if you're new, you can't afford it yet, try our copy first, you know, watch our live scanner. So that was with, you know, on our website, that was with, you know, the pre-market gappers here. But if you're a member, once you're logged in over here, we have a members only section where you can click on it and see our live streams for the day. So when we do our live streaming, we live stream the markets, what we're looking at in the pre-market, and then live market for a couple hours. So you can see us, you know, watch over our shoulders what we're doing each day. But also under that same section under our live streaming, you'll get our Trade Ideas live screen share for the day. So you could actually get our exact scan settings and watch all throughout the day, have your own kind of copy of Trade Ideas and watch what's popping up, you know, and see, again, try Trade Ideas out, Trade Ideas out before you get your own copy. So again, you know, get comfortable with trading and then pick up your own copy. So for members, like I said, we do share our scanner each day. But, you know, if you're just new, you're getting out, you want to try us out, again, we post our watch list each day, each night by 9 p.m. We post our scanners over here that give you the gappers, the pre-market gappers. And that's all you want to do is just come each day, come over here, and then build your watch list. Get prepared. You want to have a list ready every morning before the market opens. And it doesn't take long. Once you do this for a while, you'll see, okay, I'm going to go look at the top gappers for the morning. I'm going to look at the setups and the patterns, and I'm going to be like, okay, you know, this is one to watch. This is a nice one to look at. You can see this nice kind of bull flag or kind of a pennant near the moving average lines. At the open, obviously it doesn't look good, but this was something to definitely watch. But that's what happens with a watch list, or when you're doing a list, you don't know exactly what's going to happen. And that's why, you know, you have to be prepared and have your list ready. But, you know, it's so important when the market opens to have a scanner set up, whether it's Trade Ideas or Thinkorswim or FinViz or another scanner, because you know, just because you have something on watch list, they could be duds, right? It could just go up and just dump down. So you want to have, you know, other scan setups. So that's why you can see here, I have a morning scan over here. I also have a morning scan bearish. So this is a bullish one, so I can see what stocks are moving up, you know, on the day. SAEX, this one's, you know, moving up on the day here. And then I can look over here, which one's bearish? Well, look at NUGL. This one's just really selling off. This one's looking nasty. So I can kind of, depending on the strategy, right? If I want to go bullish on, you know, the day, I can, you know, if the momentum's on my side, I can go bullish. I can look at my morning scan up here. Or, you know, if I want to go bearish and short, You know, if I want to go do shorting strategies, I can have my bearish scan set up and maybe short on bear flags. Or, you know, if you're not a fan of shorting, you know, you can dip buy. You could watch a stock start to really sell off, find a base and go bullish. You can still have bullish strategies when, you know, a stock is bearish or the market is, you know, bearish on the day overall. You could just go in and dip buy, right? Just another type of strategy. So hopefully this video helped you. Again, just wanted to give you some resources. A good scanner is incredibly important to finding stocks. Really, especially if you're a day trader, you need a scanner, whether it's a free scanner or a scanner like Trade Ideas. Again, we're huge fans of Trade Ideas, but if you're new getting started, use the resources we provide for you, and catch our live streams each day, you know, where we really help you out and show you live support, resistance patterns, all that good stuff in teaching. So hopefully this video helped you, and we will see you in our community. Enjoy.